everyone, and in this video you're going to learn how to set up the microphone in the sound room. Begin by clicking on the GarageBand icon and select Empty Project. Next, you'll be clicking on the microphone and select Input number 3, and then click Create. Next, head over to your audio box and ensure that it's turned on by clicking the switch. You will notice 4 ports on the front of your audio box, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We will use number 3 today because that's the microphone we selected. Make sure to click the 48-volt button. We've selected port 3 for where our microphone is going to be connected. Ensure that your main volume is turned up along with your mixer, as well as line mic number 3. Next, go over to your microphone, ensure the red light's on, and snap your fingers to test the sound. Take a look at your screen, and if you see a little green slide bar fluttering, it is capturing your sound. Now at the top of the screen, click Record and do a vocal test. Test your sound, and if you see your sound waves appear in the red bar, your sound is now being captured. Click Stop, hit the playback button, and hit play in order to listen to your testing sound. If you can hear it, then you are capturing the sound. If you're not capturing or hearing any sound, go up to the top menu, click GarageBand, and click Preference. Ensure that the output is in built-in output and the input is selected to audio box. Click the little red circle to close the window, and now you should be ready to record. Repeat these steps for any instruments that you'd like to select as well.